To have a cold. To have a stomachache. To have a sore throat. To have a good time. To have a headache. To have a look. To have a rest. To have a smoke. To have a try. To take a nap. To take a seat. To take a shower. To have a shower. To give a chance. To give a hand. To give a lift. A few. A little. A lot of. A number of. All of a sudden. As a matter of fact. As a result. As a rule. At, from, a distance. At a glance. At a loss. At a time. For a long time. For a short time. For a while. In a hurry. In a low voice. In a loud voice. In a whisper. It is a pity. It is a pleasure. On a large scale. Once a year. To a certain degree. To be a success. To do a favor. To fit like a glove. To go for a walk. To have a bath. To have a wash. To make a date. To make a mistake. To make a speech. To make a start. To make an appointment. To make an impression. To play a trick. To tell a joke. To tell a lie. An only child.